I want to tell you a bit about institutes, centers, and research facilities because the College of Sciences is focused on research. Every one of the degrees offered out of the college has either the opportunity for or a requirement of research and applied experience. Research is a huge part of UCF's identity, and students are encouraged to participate. Research translates textbook concepts into practical applications. It develops critical laboratory skills, and it puts your name out into the academic community through publications and presentations. Engagement in research gives you access to the minds and labs of active researchers and can also be used to fulfill your major requirements. And there are many research opportunities that are also paid. Our undergraduate students benefit from their research experiences. This academic work, whether it's in a lab, in the field, literally, or at a private or corporate setting, these work experiences give our students the opportunity to make discoveries with our faculty and grad students. Research and the application of what's learned in the classroom allows our students to engage in internship and service learning opportunities that provide valuable hands-on experiences. And our students are producing as a result of these experiences. Our undergraduates are producing. They are publishing and presenting locally, nationally, and internationally. There's also a great resource I want to point out here as well, and that's the Office of Undergraduate Research. This is the main support office for students who are engaging in projects and want to learn more about funding and publication opportunities. The Office of Undergraduate Research also helps connect our students with faculty who are conducting research. So if you have an idea of something that you're really interested in and want to learn more about, this office can help connect you with those faculty who may be doing that thing that you want to learn more about. This office will also help students learn valuable research presentation skills and find access to different opportunities to present that research. What you're seeing here in the picture is a research showcase that happens annually where our undergraduate students can present work that they have completed with research. Now, in the next few slides, I want to point out some new and innovative approaches to learning we have in the College of Sciences. First, this fall, we are happy to welcome all of the Nicholson School of Communication and Media into our college. In addition to the degrees that we were already awarding, we are now awarding degrees in digital media and film, the Digital Media BA, the Film BA, and the Film Bachelor of Fine Arts. In addition, and to expand our research focus in the social sciences, 2 of our majors recently modified their programs to more explicitly point out the focus on research methods, statistics, and data analysis training. These are in the sociology and anthropology bachelor's programs. With our courses and curriculum, it's important to let you know that our faculty are always keeping an eye on what needs to be taught. And because of this, every few years, we'll change or update our majors so that we can ensure that our students are learning what's most important to prepare them for what you want to do with your degree. Where UCF offers advising to help you prepare for a professional degree, if law school is that which you're interested, you should definitely also know that UCF has a partnership with several Florida law schools through a 3+3 program. What this means is that you'll complete your first 3 years of your degree here at UCF. And then in your 3rd year, your junior year, you'll apply to the law program of your choice. And then if you're admitted, your 4th year at UCF will be completed at that law school. Once you complete that 4th year, all of those law courses will be used towards your UCF degree, and you'll graduate from UCF. Then, in the next 2 years, you'll complete your law degree, thus completing the UCF degree and the law degree in 6 years. If you're interested in this, contact the Office of Pre-Health and Pre-Law for more information. Given the current state of higher education, I can assure you that all of our faculty are trained to deliver high-quality courses online and remotely. This is particularly important in the sciences. Now, in physics, we've converted all of our labs, most of our labs, to be delivered effectively online. Prior to the need for this remote instruction, however, and hopefully we'll be back soon, we were delivering our introductory physics courses with a 3-tiered approach. First, we would introduce the topics in a large lecture format. But then, to reduce class size significantly, we would apply that experience in a laboratory setting and then have small group discussions or recitations to reinforce what was learned in the lecture and in the lab. In biology, we were well poised to shift to online and remote learning because we were already effectively delivering our biology labs using Second Life. This avatar-based approach to labs allows students to not only gain a true, though virtual, laboratory experience, but also experience the laboratory in a whole new way. So in a traditional lab, where you would be viewing what mitosis looks like through a microscope, in the virtual lab, students are diving into the microscope and viewing the chromosomal divisions from the inside of the cell. Very cool. Mathematics education is also critically important for our college. It's often said that mathematics is the language of the sciences. The Mathematics Emporium approach to instruction provides students with applied and hands-on learning assistance. The Math Emporium approach is used with many of our lower level math courses that are taught in the mall. And several of these courses are also offered in an adaptive setting where students can advance at their own pace. We want you to test your current math knowledge through the math placement test. This placement test gives you feedback on where you should start your first math course. It's recommended for all students, but particularly those who are in majors that require advanced mathematics, like pre-calculus, trigonometry, and beyond. If numbers are not your strong suit, we have resources to help. The Math Success Center offers free tutors to walk you through your lower level classes. The last academic-related item I want to share are several tools that are available to you regardless of your major. The Pegasus Path is a dynamic and interactive tool for you to visually move around your course requirements as you plan out your 4 years at UCF. As a smart tool, though, if you try to schedule a course before completing the prerequisite requirement, it's going to alert you to this. In addition, the Pegasus Path will highlight when and what experiences you should be engaging in to complete your degree. For example, in your junior year of your chemistry major, you should be seeking out joining various professional organizations and engaging in research experiences. These are co-curricular activities, so they're not exactly in-class activities, but these are experiences that will help ensure that you are well prepared for what happens after you graduate. Speaking of prerequisites, in the College of Sciences, we use the registration system to enforce all of the prerequisite requirements you will read about in the catalog. So if you have to pass Bio 1 with a C before taking Bio 2, we're looking for that. Also regarding registration, UCF publishes a full year's worth of classes every March. So you can see what's going to be offered and plan for what you want to take a full year in advance. You will notice that our students with a good GPA will actually be able to register for a full year's of courses up front. So please keep those grades up.